Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best Popsocket Donut, a must-have accessory for your phone or tablet. Whether you're constantly on the go or just need a reliable grip, this Popsocket is here to make your life a little easier and more stylish. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Popsocket's collapsible grip and stand for phones and tablets in its vibrant blue donut design. First, let's talk about the design. This Popsocket features a fun and eye-catching blue donut pattern. The colors are bright, playful, and will make a statement on any device. Whether you're using it on your phone or tablet, it adds a nice pop of personality. It's not just about looks, though. This Popsocket is functional, too. The grip expands and collapses, making it incredibly convenient for adjusting to your needs throughout the day. When you don't need it, simply collapse it, and it lays flat against your device, giving you a sleek, clean look. The Popsocket is made of high-quality materials, ensuring it sticks firmly to the back of your phone or tablet. You don't have to worry about it falling off mid-use. It's designed to fit all smartphones and most tablets, including popular models like Apple iPhones, Samsung, Google, and more. This means it works across a wide range of devices, making it a versatile addition to your tech accessories. Now, let's talk about the practicality of this product. The Popsocket serves as both a grip and a stand. Need to prop up your phone for hands-free video watching or a quick Zoom call? Just expand the Popsocket, and voila, instant stand. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or catching up on a work meeting, this little accessory gives you the perfect angle. And when you're done, it's easy to collapse and store away. Another thing to consider is comfort. The expanded Popsocket provides a secure and comfortable grip, making it easier to hold your phone for long periods without straining your fingers. It's especially helpful when texting, gaming, or scrolling through social media. And if you're someone who often drops their phone, the extra grip is a game changer, adding an extra layer of security to your device. In terms of durability, this Popsocket is built to last. The adhesive backing sticks securely to your device, and it's strong enough to withstand daily use without losing its grip. Whether you're constantly putting your phone in and out of your pocket or carrying it around in your bag, this Popsocket stays put. Finally, the blue donut design makes this product stand out. It's not your typical phone accessory, it's a fun and unique way to customize your device and make it truly yours. Whether you're into donuts or just love the playful vibe it gives, this Popsocket adds a touch of personality to your tech. So, there you have it. The Popsocket's collapsible grip and stand for phones and tablets in blue donut is a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your device, offering both a reliable grip and a stand for hands-free convenience. If you're looking to upgrade your phone accessories, this Popsocket is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, take care and happy shopping.